Hello there. What's the date today? April 19th, 2021. Well, today we are going to learn something about camping activities, but in this case, we are going to ask and answer questions. Can you see here our title? Where are you camping? So that is the structure when you ask questions about camping activities. About that, we are going to use the expressions, remember? So be ready, please. Here we have one more time our title, where are you camping? As I told you, we are going to ask yes, no questions. So here we have, was he finding animal tracks in the morning? So you can see this little boy. So we are asking about him, about what camping activity he was doing in the morning. But look here, we are using already one expression. What is that expression? Finding animal tracks. So one more time, I am going to read this question. Was he finding animal tracks in the morning? Let us see. Oh, look. So what is the answer, little friend? Yes, he was. Why, miss? Because look here, this is the information. As you can see in this picture, that tells me that it's find animal tracks. So if you relate this with a question, was he finding animal tracks in the morning? Well, the answer is yes, he was. Another example here about yes, no questions. Let me read this question to you. Was he finding animal tracks in the afternoon? Well, as you can see, it's the same question. But wait a minute, it says morning, but in this case it says afternoon. So one more time. Was he finding animal tracks in the afternoon? Was he finding animal tracks in the afternoon? Well, let's see. It couldn't be. Yes, he was. No. In this case, the answer is no, he wasn't. He was identifying trees. In this case, you can see that we are adding information to this question. So, sorry, to this answer. So here we have, no, he wasn't, but we say something more about this. We said what he was doing in the afternoon. What was that? He was identifying trees. So one more time. Was he finding animal tracks in the afternoon? No, he wasn't. He was identifying trees. So look here, identifying trees. Good. Another important thing, I can't forget that. Look here, was he finding? We add the ing. Don't forget in the question and in the answers too. So look here in this picture, look at the girl. I don't know, what is the question here? Was the girl exploring a cave in the morning? Was the girl exploring a cave in the morning? Let's see. 8 o'clock a.m. So the answer is no. No? Wait a minute. No? That is not the answer. The answer is yes, she was. Look here, she's in the cave. Maybe you can notice that, but yes, she's exploring a cave. And it's in the morning. Look here, it says 8 o'clock. So the answer is yes, she was. Yes, she was. Another, look here. One more time. Was the girl exploring the cave in the morning? So look at the girl one more time. So was the girl exploring a cave in the morning? Let's see. No, she wasn't. No, she wasn't. She was studying insects. She was studying insects. That's right. So let's see. Here we have two types of answer. Yes and no. But remember please that when the answer is no, we add more information. So for example, here we said that the girl was studying insects. Okay, so look here, we have a chart and you can say that, you can see the name Ernesto. And here we have morning and afternoon. In the morning here we have 3 camping activities: exploring a cave, identifying trees, collecting leaves. And in the afternoon, there are another 3 camping activities. What are those? Finding animal tracks, studying insects, picking wild strawberries. And as you can see, there is a cross and a check in each activity. In some of the activities. Look here. Here we have a question. Was Ernesto exploring a cave in the morning? Morning, exploring a cave. Look here, a cross. So the answer is no. No, he wasn't. But remember that when the answer is no, we add more information. So here we have no, he wasn't. He was what? Oh, the check. Identifying trees. So no, he wasn't. He was identifying trees. Another example. Was Ernesto picking wild strawberries in the afternoon? Afternoon. Picking wild strawberries. Look here, the answer is yes, he was. Yes, he was. Good. So look here. In this day, in this class, we learn how to make questions, to make yes, no questions, okay? So remember that we are using the camping activities expressions, like for example, here exploring a cave, identifying trees, picking wild strawberries. So we are using what we have already learned in the previous classes. Now, remember that when we answer, when our answer is negative, we usually add more information about it. Okay, don't forget about that. Well, little kids, thank you so much. That's all for today. Don't forget to do your activity, the homework page number 13, activity letter D. Okay, see you in the next class, and don't forget, take care.